What does the future hold for drone technology, and how will artificial intelligence shape that future? Imagine a world where drones, powered by artificial intelligence, navigate autonomously, adapt to their environments, execute complex tasks, and process real-time data. This isn't a far-fetched dream, but a reality being realized through the groundbreaking partnership between ACL Digital and PhoenixAI.tech. ACL Digital, renowned for its prowess in digital solutions, has joined forces with PhoenixAI.tech, a trailblazer in drone technology solutions. Their shared vision, to advance AI-powered drone solutions and services, addressing some of the most pressing industry challenges. By blending PhoenixAI.tech's expertise in AI and machine learning algorithms with ACL Digital's comprehensive capabilities in product engineering and system integration, this partnership seeks to revolutionize operations beyond the visual line of sight missions. The goal is to empower drone operators and service providers to harness machine learning models effectively, opening up a world of untapped potential. But what does this mean for the industry? And more importantly, how will it shape our future? This strategic alliance underscores a commitment to innovation and safety in drone operations. Through autonomous navigation, adaptability, complex task execution, and real-time data processing enabled by AI, drones are set to enhance safety measures, optimize efficiency, and create new opportunities across various industries. PhoenixAI.tech's ambitious vision of building the industry's first AI-assisted drone autonomous solution, coupled with ACL Digital's proven track record in providing innovative solutions, positions this partnership to lead the way in transforming the economics of drone deployment and beyond visual line-of-sight operations. In essence, the partnership between ACL Digital and PhoenixAI.tech represents a significant leap forward in the evolution of AI-powered drones. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and shared vision. It's a glimpse into the future of drone technology, a future where AI is not just an add-on, but an integral part of the drone ecosystem. So as we look to the horizon, the question isn't if AI will shape the future of drone technology, but how it will shape it. And through the lens of the ACL Digital and PhoenixAI.tech partnership, that future looks incredibly promising.